Today we're going to learn how to mount a front panel console of a mechanical valve. These are the sub-assemblies of the panel mounting valve: flush type headed front panel console, 2 tightening nut, and 3x2 normally closed valve. These are common for all types of front panel consoles. First, unwrap the console. Make sure you have all the pieces: the front panel console, tightening nuts, and the basic valve. This console requires a 22 mm hole for mounting on panels. Insert the console from the front side of the panel. Take 1 number nut and tighten it properly. If you're attempting to tighten the nut and it isn't turning, please ensure that you're using the correct side of the nut for proper tightening. Now take another nut and tighten it in the opposite direction. This ensures a secure fit. Next, assemble the base valve and anti-lock with a nut. You've successfully mounted your front panel console. Remember, you can use the same method for all types of front panel consoles. Follow these steps for easy front panel console mounting. Discover the power of SPAC Pneumatic and revolutionize your pneumatic solutions. Just drop a hi at our WhatsApp number 0120-473-3333 or visit our website www.spacpneumatic.com for more information.